Hello people, how are you? In this video I am going to share with you 5 mistakes. If you don't stop now, then your business will be out of business. So let's start with the 5 mistakes that you have to stop right now. The number one mistake that business owners do is that they don't do market research before bringing a product into their business. If you are a startup or a business owner, before getting a product into your business, you have to do a good market research and understand your customer. Will the customer buy that product or not? Now, if you already have an established business, then think that whatever the product you are trying to innovate or trying to bring in sell to your customer, think that whether they need it or not, the market where you are catering and the people customers in that particular market, are they willing to buy your product or not? So to do a market research, you can find your audiences who may be your customers, who are like who matches to your buyer's persona, and tell them that this is a product. If you don't have a product, just tell them that this is a product and would you buy it for a particular price. Don't be salesy and don't try to sell it. Just announce it about the product and take a review of them. Will they buy it or not? If they are saying no, I will not buy it, then ask why. And if they are saying yes, I will buy it, then ask why. Because if you ask why, then you will get a good reason for why they are buying. You will be you will be able to know what values your product have. And if they are saying no, you will able to improve your product, or you will be able to bring a good product in your business. So both the results, what you are getting, yes or no, ask them why yes and why no, so that you will have a good better results. And after a market research, when you understand which product will your customer, which product will run in the market, that product you try to add in your business. So people don't do market research. That is the biggest mistake what they are doing. The second mistake is understanding your targeting your audiences and being crystal clear. Now businessmen are not very much clear about who are their customer. They think that everyone is my customer. I will sell my product is such a thing that everyone wants it. Now if you are if you have a kirani business or a grocery business also, everyone is not your customer. Understand that one thing. For Amazon also, everyone is not their customer. They have some particular buyers, different buyers persona and buyers targeted market. So you have to understand in the particular market who is your audience, targeted audience, and whom you want to sell your product, who will buy your product. So while you if you have a targeted audience and if you have a good persona of them, like what are their age, what is their age, gender, education, then status, if you have these information, then it will be easy for you to get a product available for them, and they will also convert if you sell them, then they will convert to you easily. So it should be very much crystal clear that who is your audience, who is your buyers, and also you should know that who is not your buyer, so that you don't waste your energy and resources in selling your product to them. So this was the second mistake which businessmen do. The third mistake what entrepreneurs and businessmen do is they don't try to build email list or data of the customers. They lack, these businesses lack in data of their customers. Now data is very much important in this 21st century, because data, if you are if we say like a Zomato, the Zomato is in losses from past 3 to 4 years. Zomato is making losses, but still people are ready to invest in them. Now the IPO is also coming. So why people are investing? It is in loss because of data. They have valuable data of their customers. So having a data is very much important, and people don't keep the data of their customer. Let me tell you how important the data is. Now if you have a data of a phone, if you have a data, phone number, email, name, and a short description of who are your customers, like age, male, female, like that, a short one line description. So when you get a data of 100 200 customers, you will be very much clear that who is your customer, who are your potential buyers, so that it will be very much easy for you to put efforts on selling your product to a particular audiences, and having a data will also help you to nurture your previous customers further to buy your new product or upcoming product, or to get them engaged with you. So having a data, and also you should know where they are present. Okay, so whenever you take a data of your customer, also see that are they present on any social media platforms. There you connect with them and engage with them. So having a data and is very much important. People lack of data in a business will kill your business. So start keeping and collecting data of your business, of your customers. So the next fourth mistake what businessmen do is not having a website. If they have a website, they neglect it, and the reason why they don't have a website is because they think that they have a good social media presence. Have you seen that ad, GoDaddy's ad? If you have not seen, see it now. So in this ad, what you have seen is that MS Dhoni says that social media is not just a way of having a presence. You should also have a website. Website is very much important. I have made a dedicated video on what are the benefits of having a website to a business. So if you have not seen yet, you can click on the I button and see that video as well. So having a website is very much important, and if many businesses have their website, but those websites are not well optimized. In optimization, I mean they don't have a proper SEO. The UI UX of the website is not good. So these are some problems and mistakes which they are making. So optimizing your website and having a website is very much important for your business growth. In future is digital, and if you want to increase your sales, then you have to have a website. If you don't have a website, you are doing a very great mistake. The last mistake, and I will end up this video, that is, don't have a consistency in content creation and content promotion. Now many businesses have their social media presence, but they are not active there. They don't publish content regularly, and consistency doesn't mean that you have to post regular on a daily basis, or you have to post two piece of content every day. No, consistency means if you are posting one piece of content in a week, you have to keep it consistent across the year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay, this is called consistency. Decide one thing, that I will post a piece of content on these many platforms for every once in a week. So you have to maintain that consistency. You have to dedicate yourself to that. So this will help you to engage with to build a great audience and community, so that in that audience many of them will be your customers as well. So this is a biggest mistake. Just don't create social media presence, also be consistent in content publishing. So this will help you in both ways, getting more customer and building a brand. So these were some 5, I want to say, that mistakes which businessmen and companies and big companies to small business owners, everyone, most of them do this mistakes, and there are no one to guide them. So if you stop doing these mistakes, your business will be saved. So if you like this video, if you felt that this was a valuable video, then please like it, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.